Hi, my name is Solomon, the Technical Manager of SLW Solutions. With SLW Solutions, we are dealers in solar installation, CCTV camera installation, security fence installation, gate automation installation, and DSM booster installation. Today, we are here to install a solar system for KIBI Goldfields. We are here to install a system that will be catering for their CCTV cameras to monitor their cell site. This is the site 3. Here, they have no ECG power, so we have come here to provide a power for their CCTV system. We are here to install a 6 kilowatt solar panel, 6.2 kilowatt inverter, and then we are here to install a 10 kilowatt solar lithium batteries. We'll keep you posted. See you.
Hello guys. I'm Prince KIBI Goldfields from SOW Solutions Ghana. Yeah, currently we are at Goldfields Mines. We came here 2 days ago to install a solar system for Goldfield Mines. And we have here a 6 kilowatt inverter and a 200 Ah 48 volts battery here. And we've done our technical work and everything. We've powered the inverter. Now everything is working perfectly. On our screen here, you can see the panel generating a 248 volts, which is charging. It's generating a 248 volts, and on our screen, the wattage we are getting is about 2,280, 2,310 kilowatts from panel, which is charging the battery currently. So that's the good work we've done in Goldfields Mines. Everything is working perfectly. Thank you for having me here. I'm Prince KIBI Goldfields from SOW Solutions Ghana. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Richard Owusu-Amankwa. I work with KIBI Goldfields. SOW Solutions has been working with this company for a very long time now. So we are building a new plant, and then we wanted a solar for the plant and then for the cameras here. And then we invited him to come and work and do it for us. To be very honest, if your services are very bad, I don't think we will come back for you. So you give us the quality that we want. That is why we always come back to you guys to work with. Solar is good. Solar saves cost, but the initial cost will scare you. But if you are able to do it, it will save you a lot of money. So our advice that they should go in for solar. It's very good.